we are in Antibes, France. And we are kind of in between Nice and Cannes, if you look on a map. And I want you to see our Airbnb. It's really, really awesome. I want to say this one's our favorite so far, but I feel like I say that about almost all of them. They're really, really great. So right now you're in the entryway in the foyer. This is one of the nicest features, is the toilet and the sink for the bathroom. They're in their own little room here, which is great because, you know, it's nice to be able to go to the bathroom and feel like you're not racing to wait for somebody that is, hi! Look at this little sink that somebody's, you know, wanted to take a shower or whatever, but this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is like the teeniest, tiniest little sink. All right, and then into the living room. Come on in. This is our living room, dining room, James' room. I would say James is comfortable. He's moaning. So, and then you come out here, it's like a whole other living space. It's like a sunroom. There used to be a balcony, but it's all glassed in. And the nice thing is, it's actually a little warm, but these open. These open up, so you can get some fresh air if it was a pretty day. And then there's blinds that come down, so if the sun gets to be too much, blinds down. It's really, really nice. That little yellow couch over there has got my name all over it, although I have a feeling I'm going to be fighting with James over it, because he's going to want to go on it too. Good. We'll go in the back door of the bedroom here. This is the bedroom. Sorry, there's actually a TV in the bedroom. This is the first place we stayed with a TV. There's another, like a second TV in the bedroom. And then back here is the bathroom. This nice big bathroom with a nice big walk-in shower that's really, really big, really comfortable. Those are neat.
Are those cool?
Yeah.
Plenty of places to hang things.
All right, let's go check out the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. A nice big refrigerator with some mustard, microwave, an induction stove. Look at all these little matching appliances. Toaster, kettle, coffee maker. Yeah, our host was in here earlier. It was really cute. She was showing us where everything was. And she was opening the drawers to get a bowl for James. And she was in here and James was just like right up in there like, what are you doing? What are you getting at? It was really cute. He was wanting to see what she was up to. What do you think, James? Do you like it here? Do you like France? Yeah? Good boy. He says, it's nap time. All right, well that was it. Thank you for joining us on the tour. We'll see you in our next video. Ciao. Where are we? I don't even know where we are ever. Let's see. Antibes?